Okay, hello guys. Today I will make a double drill machine, small drill machine. We need a hacksaw to cut the pipe. This is 6-inch pipe by 1.5 inch in diameter because it will fit over here. This is 775 motor, speed control for that motor, and on off switch. This on off switch is in here already, but I will put one more on off switch. We need this nice and good wire. Some wire. I will show you how to make it. It's okay guys, I made a hole over here for motor to breathe, and this is for oiling for the motor, and this is for the on off switch. And I will put this one regulator, speed control. It will control the speed of the motor. Faster, slower, it will work. I put this one knob over here, put it off, here's full, and I made this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 levels. And this on off switch, I use these two horn thimbles of a bike or a car. This is horn thimbles, sorry. And I'll put this one heat sink tubing over that thimbles, and I will join it. I will show it to you. I complete wiring this one. This is speed control. This on off switch. This protector switch. Switch is also over here, on off here. You can hear the sound here. Here. But this one is here. Look, this one. Oh. Okay guys, and this one is on. This is on off. Regulator. This. If you want to stop it suddenly, off it from here. That's why I put two switches. I will fix it. I'll show it to you. Okay guys, time to test. So this is on, and I have only one hand. Here we go. I'm doing with one hand, so sorry about that. Yeah. Okay guys, thank